everyone, I am JST along with my team member Janaki. We are working on a project called Intelligent Medical Chatbot using natural language processing guided by our supervisor Mr. D. Karthikeyan. Problem statement, we all know that visiting a doctor is not always easy because some people live far away from hospital and cannot afford it and others do not have a time. Because of this, many health problems are get delayed or ignored. And most health chatbot available today are too simple or like basic frequency asked question. They are focused on only one disease. So we decided to build a smart, friendly and useful medical chatbot that can help people with many different health concerns. Based on this problem statement, the objectives of the project is our main goals are to build a chatbot that talk naturally with the user and give a reliable health information and to give a personalized advices based on the user's symptoms and lifestyle to make healthcare easy to access anytime and anywhere and to add a doctor appointment system so user can book a real consultation when they need. The review of my project is the first study by Vista in 2023 used a machine learning and focused that medical chatbot are fixable for user and can provide a approximate but useful recommendations. And a second study by Sanjay Chandragoti in 2024 used a LSTM model to predict the infectious disease. And a third, a study by Michael King in 2025 applied a machine learning techniques and achieved a robust and high accuracy in medical chatbot response. The dataset collection of our project, we collect our medical information from trusted sources like World Health Organization, CDC and Mayo Clinic and some of the medical textbooks and clinical guidance and expert valid symptoms disease data. Based on our knowledge, including symptoms, disease, treatment, lifestyle tips and doctor preference details, we stored in a structured format like JSON and or MySQL and it covers many conditions like fever, cold, diabetics and infections. The pre-processing step, we used tools like Python, MySQL, Pandas and TensorFlow. The steps we followed, cleaned the data by removing the duplicates and adding the missing values and did text pre-processing like tokenization, stop word removal and recommendations, convert the symptoms into numbers using TF, IDF or word and organizing the data and splitting into training and validation and testing the dataset. In the feature engineering, we choose important features like natural language to understand user message naturally and personalized guidance for diet and lifestyle tips and doctor appointment system for real medical help and real-time response to give instant support in the upcoming future processing. System architecture of my project is step 1 user input. The user type or speak health questions and coming to the step 2 text queries. The system convert their text into text queries and based on that it will search the query. It search for what the user is asking and next step 4 is key term extraction. Important words like disease name or medicine names or extraction. And next to the step 5 database, the system check the database which contains doctor details, tablet details or medicine details. And step 6 medicine result. Based on the database, it gives the medicine information and results. Next step 7 text to voice. The answer can also convert into voice. And step 8 alert. If needed, the system send a mobile alert, for example reminder about medicines. In modern implementation, tools and libraries we used Python as a main language, PyCharm as ideal and Pandas NumPy for data handling and SpaceSkies for text pre-processing and Flash and Django for backend and MySQL for database and HTML, CSS and JavaScript for front end. In the algorithm comparison, we compared two approaches, HMM plus natural language processing. It's good for voice to test, but depending on the external service and may have a cost. And an AB base, it is simple, fast and works well with small data, but assuming all features are independent. For our project, we choose a mix of natural language and machine learning to get a better understanding and speed.
In my project, I have built a full stack medicine and appointment management system. The backend in Python, PyCharm, and the data store in YAML file, and the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When I run the project, PyCharm shows a local server. For example, and above that blue color link, while clicking that, open my web application. Home page has a button home, doctor, user and new user. If you are an exiting user or doctor, you can log in directly. If you are a new click new doctor or new user and fill your details, name, contact, mail ID, phone number, etc. After registration, your simple login you are using a creditizations. This same apply for doctor also. Here I have a logging Muller. It was I have already logging this ID. So I'm directly going to this page. In that home page, there is my informations, my personal and chat, and as an information in this chat, I was chatting with this bot. Once we logged the chat bot on the page, you can type your queries or voice to text to speak. The bot reply with both the text to voice and voice to text. For example, if I say what symptoms I having, it can be suggest the medicine or support some of the symptoms based queries. If I want to book a doctor appointment, the chatbot understands. The bot then asks for my doctor preference available, for instance, based on the symptoms I am having. Once I confirmed the doctor appointment, it shows my doctor's details based on the ward specialist, and I can choose the doctor appointment based on my time slot. Now I am choosing my appointment based on my time slot. After that, booking the doctor appointment. Once you have booked a doctor appointment, we will go and meet a doctor, and we will, based on our symptoms, the doctor will suggest the medicine for us, and after that, doctor login. In the appointment, doctor will go and check the details of the patients. What are the patients' names, mail IDs, and what are them they are assigning the based on the time slot. After that, after meeting the doctor. After meeting the doctor, the doctor meets the patient. The doctor adds the prescription details, medicine names, dosage, durations. That all information appear on the user home page under the session called Track Info. If the user missed any details, they can download the prescription as a file, as a PDF or text. In the as in Track Info, the information of the patients, the doctor will easy to see the history, when the date, which date, the doctor preference, what medicines, is easy to check for the history for doctor, and both as a patient also. As a patient, they log in into their page, and they will, after logging into their page in as info, they will download their report. If they missed the medicine details, they can, whenever they needed, they can download their details in this website. Clicking logout end the session. If someone else log in, whether doctor or user, they only see their own dashboard and history. So system keeps data separate and secure. This complete workflow, registration, voice text chatbot, and smart doctor suggestions and appointment booking, prescription display, download and history. This is how my project achieves. In conclusion, the project successfully interact a voice text chatbot for doctor appointment booking. In future work, enhanced database, appointment reminder, multi-language voice support, and admin dashboard. Thank you.